Our factories are technologically advanced and ever ready to manufacture every component, in fast times and with millimetrical precision. In Tera, we have a team of expert operators, able to process the phases of production with careful and accuracy, cutting, welding and bending. Every single mounting phase is studied and followed between the different departments for guaranteeing maximum efficiency. The phases are supervised by the specialist teams present in the company. Through this management, we can keep an efficient communication, getting a timely resolutions of the problems and rigorous quality control. Our qualified technicians make complete and specific test on all the components of the plant before turning on the system. All the tests are performed in compliance with current regulations and the highest safety standards in the sector.